Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel Tech AI. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to disable notifications for Wombo Dream in your mobile device. Now let us begin. Initially, all you guys have to do is open settings. Well guys, as you can see, I have opened up settings. As you can see, lots of options. But right now what we're gonna do is simply scroll down till we see something called as apps. Right here at the bottom, just below battery and device care, you will see the apps button right here. Click on it. Now from here, what you guys need to do is simply search for Wombo Dream. I'm gonna scroll down. And guys, this is it. This is the Wombo Dream application. I'm simply gonna click on it. And from here, as you can see, the notifications are allowed. I'm gonna click on it right now. And once you click on it, this page will open up. From here, I'm simply gonna toggle off this button right here. And guys, that is it. That's how we disable notifications in Wombo Dream in your mobile device. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.